What is in a name? Asked Shakespeare in his play Romeo and Juliet. Little did he know that centuries later, the answer to that question could also be an impeachment motion. The parliament today almost turned into theatre of the absurd, and uneasy relations between Rajya Sabha chairman Jagdeep Dhankar and Samajwadi Party MP Jaya Bachchan reached a climax. The cine star, who's been blowing hot and cold over her being called Jaya Amitabh Bachchan by the chair today, objected to the tone in which Dhankar addressed her and his body language, triggering a heated exchange. The chairman said it can't be schooled and that Bachchan may be anybody, a celebrity, but she has to observe decorum. As Dhankar refused to allow her or anyone from the opposition to speak, India Bloc Party staged a walkout. Here is what precipitated their exit.
सर, मैं जया अमिताभ बच्चन ये बोलना चाहती हूँ। मैं कलाकार हूँ, बॉडी लैंग्वेज समझती हूँ, एक्सप्रेशन समझती हूँ। और सर, मुझे माफ करिएगा, मगर आपका टोन जो है is not acceptable. We are colleagues, sir. You may be sitting on the chair.
Jaya ji.
And I remember when I went to school.
Jaya ji, take your seat. Jaya ji, take your seat. Jaya ji, you may be anybody. You may be a celebrity. You have to understand the decorum. A senior member of the parliament has a license to run down the reputation of the chair. My tone, my language, my temper. I don't go by script of others. I have my own script.
It was a very humiliating experience. जो है इतने आपका जो एक्सप्रेशन जो टोन है वो इतना खराब है और ऑफेंसिव है कि कितना सहन करें। उसके ऊपर अगर हम लोग कमेंट करते हैं तो कहते हैं चेंबर में आके बात कर लीजिए। चेंबर में क्यों? I need an apology.
बस.
From the chair. I need an apology for saying I don't care.
Let's open this up. Aparajita Sarangi. Okay, Nalin Kohli stays on. Nisha Chaudhary, national spokesperson of the RLD, is with us. Kanchana Yadav, spokesperson of the RJD. Tariq Khan stays on. Mumtaz Patel, leader of the Congress, joins us. Tariq Khan, समाजवादी पार्टी की एमपी हैं जया बच्चन, जया अमिताभ बच्चन। उनके जो राज्यसभा सेक्रेटेरिएट में उनका नाम है, उनका जो इलेक्शन एफिडेविट है उसमें पूरा नाम है जया अमिताभ बच्चन। जब चेयर ये नाम यूज करते हैं तो वो बोलती हैं कि आपका टोन ठीक नहीं है, बॉडी लैंग्वेज ठीक नहीं है।
Several times she has said to use only Jaya Bachchan. What is the problem with that? Narendra Damodar Das Modi or Narendra Modi, Ajay Bish or Yogi Adityanath, as she already said several times, I have myself seen 3 times, he said in a previous conversation with the Jagdeep Dhankar sir, she said that let's please use only Jaya Bachchan. Why? What is the reason behind? What is the reason behind? As she's saying, if I am saying that tell me name with this name, name me with this name, it's okay, name it. What is the problem in that?
There is no problem, sir. The problem is simply this. Tariq bhai, I'll tell you what the problem is. I have a proforma in my hand. ये राज्यसभा सेक्रेटेरिएट पे इजीली अवेलेबल है। इस पे लिखा है फॉर्म रिगार्डिंग स्टाइल ऑफ नेम इन पार्लियामेंट्री पेपर्स। 3 कॉलम है। अभी जो नाम है आपका और जो आप नाम चाहते हैं ये भर दीजिए और जो नाम होगा वो चेंज कर देंगे। Has Jaya Bachchan changed her name? What is the problem if the name that is on her election affidavit, the official name, is being used? I don't understand that, and there is no one who's talking on that logic. Mumtaz Patel, people today who are protesting against the tone, tenor, body language, what have you, were silent when Jagdeep Dhankar, the chair, was mimicked by TMC MP and Rahul Gandhi was filming it.
Well, either ways, that was also not correct. It is improprietary. But today, I mean, the other day, Jaya Bachchan ji did inform the chair that she would like to be addressed as Jaya Bachchan. Now, today she spoke about the tone of the distinguished chair, the vice president, and the way he replied. That proved her point. It was about the tone. It was about the body language. he spoke about not being in school, but the way he asked her to just sit down, it was more like, even to people like us, it was like a shut up, sit down. It sounded more like that. So the objection was to the tone. Even the other day, the objection was to the way it was highlighted, Jaya Amitabh Bachchan. That is the problem. And one can make out that it's a very one-sided sort of a chair, whether it's the Lok Sabha or the Rajya Sabha. And that is what the opposition is objecting to.
No, if your full name is being read out, the chair is prejudiced. निशा चौधरी.
या बताइए परमेश जी.
पूरा नाम ले लिया, जया अमिताभ बच्चन बोल दिया, तो कह रहे हैं कि देखिए टोन ठीक नहीं था. जब जया जी पहले बोल चुकी है मेरा नाम ये है.
परमेश जी, विपक्ष के पास मुद्दे हैं नहीं, और हाउस को ना चलने देने के बहाने आप देखिए करोड़ों जो हमारे भारत देश के 140 करोड़ जनता का जो विश्वास है, जो लोकतंत्र का एक मंदिर है, उसके ऊपर जो भरोसा, और उसमें आज जो समय दिया जाना चाहिए उन मुद्दों पर जो देश की बड़ी समस्याएं हैं, उस मुद्दों को पर ध्यान देने की बजाय, उनका समाधान करने की बजाय वहां मुद्दे उठाए जाते हैं ऐसे. आप सोचिए, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर साहब की बॉडी लैंग्वेज को क्या जज करने के लिए हम उस हाउस में बैठे हैं? क्या उन्होंने गलत किया? उन्होंने यही तो बोला जो उन्होंने लिखा था. उन्होंने अपने एफिडेविट में दिया कि मुझे इस नाम से बुलाया जाए, तो उन्होंने उस नाम से बुला लिया. आपको लगता है वो अमर्यादित भाषा थी? मुझे तो लगता है उसके बाद जो विपक्ष ने किया बहुत ही असंसदीय और अमर्यादित था. स्पीकर साहब ने, ऑनरेबल स्पीकर साहब ने कुछ भी ऐसा अमर्यादित नहीं किया. क्या उसमें गलत था बताइए? इतने रेस्पेक्ट के साथ उनका नाम लिया गया है, इतने रेस्पेक्ट के साथ उनको सवाल करने के लिए खड़ा किया गया, उनको टाइम दिया गया है स्पीकर साहब की तरफ से. मुझे लगता है सिर्फ विपक्ष को हाउस नहीं चलने देना, बहानेबाजी करना, मुद्दों पे बात ना करके सिर्फ उनको भटकाने के लिए हर रोज एक नई कहानी ले आना, यही विपक्ष का काम रह गया है. बेहतर हो कि हम मुद्दे उठाएं, जनता की समस्याओं को सुने, और जनता की समस्याओं के समाधान के लिए वहां पर आपको भेजा जाता है चुन करके, और वहां जाने के बाद ये सब करना मुझे लगता है सबसे ज्यादा असंसदीय और अमर्यादित है. इतना कीमती समय, करोड़ों जनता का विश्वास, भरोसा उस मंदिर पर, उसमें जाकर के समय की बर्बादी करना बहुत ही अमर्यादित और असंसदीय है.
It has come to this that even we are forced to debate something like this when we could have picked a topic of a topic which would help the viewer or public at large, but that is not to be. Now, Mr. Nalin Kohli, the charge is that this is being deliberately done.
Honestly, I think there was a very easy solution to it. You yourself pointed it out at the beginning of the debate, that there is a certain form, you fill it, and that's the end of the story. It's okay. I mean, if Jaya ji would prefer being called only Jaya Bachchan, and that's her right, she only had to fill the form and give it. Now, the second point is, she says, I don't like the tone. With due respect, are we sitting in a class on body language? This is Parliament of India. I mean, you have to go by the spoken word. I don't see any parliamentary proceeding being recorded that the gentleman stood up, or the lady stood up, or the lady sat down in her sitting. This was the message that she put out, or this is the message that he put out by sitting out because his body language conveyed this. It's only the word that finally matters. Parliament proceedings will record what an honorable member said, what the chair said, what is to be expunged, what other members said. So if it's the word that is important, it means focus on the word. It's a non-issue in that sense. It's been made into a big issue. I think the problem really stems from the fact that the opposition parties have become, well, for a period of time, very rough in the House. And they have sloganed when the Prime Minister has answered. So the Treasury benches will here say a debate. When the Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji will stand up and speak, then they will start sloganeering. So therefore, in that whole thing, the opposition has probably become used to it. About time, they can decide the next 5 years, how is it to go? The next 5 years can be on the basis of either substantive debate, discussion, and pointing out the ills of the government, which is what the opposition is for, or the next 5 years will be lost only in this. It's for them to decide.
Kanchana Yadav, you're making an issue out of a non-issue. अगर नाम बदलना है तो फॉर्म फिल कर दीजिए, नाम बदल लीजिए.
First of all, if a women member of parliament asks to be called by her own name, not by her husband's father or the, sons, what was the problem in it? But, despite her objection, speaker keeps her calling by her husband name. That means he is doing it on a purpose. And second, we know that her name is listed in the Rajya Sabha as Jaya Amitabh Bachchan, but this is not her the first time, fifth time hai unka. And this whole practice of calling her by her husband name, why started? Well,
Why is she using
that
the husband's
means-
name? Kanchana Yadav जी, अगर इतना ही दिक्कत है तो हटा दीजिए अमिताभ उसमें से, जया बच्चन लिखिए. आप लिखेंगे लेकिन नाम नहीं ले कोई, ये क्या मतलब है?
No, one second. नरेंद्र दामोदर दास मोदी कितनी बार बोला गया, अनिल चंद्र शाह कितनी बार बोला गया, फॉरगेट अबाउट प्राइम मिनिस्टर एंड अमित शाह, पूरे मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट जो हैं संसद में, उनका पूरा नाम कितनी बार लिया गया. अगर लेडी ने, अगर मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट ने, उन्होंने ऑब्जेक्ट किया, कॉल मी जया बच्चन, इट्स फाइन, है ना, आई हैव माई यूनिक एंड ऑन आइडेंटिटी. इसका मतलब उसके बाद भी अगर आप उसको ट्रिगर करते हो, यू आर डूइंग इट ऑन पर्पस. एंड और उसके बाद भी अगर कोई ऑब्जेक्ट करता है कि आप जो भी हो, इट डजंट मैटर टू मी, आप जो भी हो, मतलब यू शुड रेस्पेक्ट ए मेंबर ऑफ पार्लियामेंट.
नहीं, उन्होंने ये कहा, द चेयर सेड, 1 minute कंचना जी, द चेयर सेड आप कलाकार होंगी, बिकॉज जया बच्चन जी सेड आई एम अ कलाकार. नाउ व्हेन यू एंटर पार्लियामेंट, यू आर नॉट कलाकार. All the members of parliament are members of parliament. That's it.
No, sis,
and then
I
the chair
have
is
got-
supreme.
no, sis,
There is
I
sense
have
of
got
discipline and
experience.
decorum that
See.
that all the members must display.
No, see, she said, I have that experience, I can read the language in face. That's, she said. But, the Dhankar ji, he comes from a RSS background, which believes in the principle of Manusmriti, which says, महिलाओं को पहले, फादर के कंट्रोल में होना चाहिए, फिर हस्बैंड कंट्रोल में
Jaya
होना चाहिए, फिर खुद
Jaya
control
Bachchan
होना
is not from RSS.
Let
Jaya
me
Bachchan
say-
should get rid of the name Amitabh. Nalin Kohli. It is now linked to RSS.
मतलब एक रूप से मैं इसको हिंदी में एक सेकंड कह देता हूं कि अगर जया जी को लगता है कि जो नाम उनका प्रिंटेड है, जो एफिडेविट में है, भाई अल्टीमेटली द नेम हैज टू फॉलो द एफिडेविट एंड द फॉर्म एक्सेट्रा. इफ शी फील्स रिमूविंग द नेम अमिताभ from that would send wrong messages, and she may feel so. I mean, on the other hand, if the chair is saying something, then why should it not be said that the chair is, by playing around with a name, doing the same thing, sending out a wrong message? So he's just simply following the practice. You have to look at it from both sides. Second, with due respect, Jaya ji is a very senior member of parliament. Where has this debate gone? She wanted to obviously make a point. That point has not happened even till now. Now, let me take another thing. I would assume, without checking the dates of birth, but I think Dhankar ji is also elder to Jaya Bachchan ji. So, I mean, the respect to the chair as an elder could have also followed. It's an elder's house. So, in my opinion, this is, this is a non-issue which has become very, very big. For what? And where is it taking parliamentary democracy? So at the end of the day, it can come down to doing business in the interest of the people of India, for which the members of parliament are there. The functioning of the house is there. Or it can be lost in these debates on a daily basis. That's the point I'm making.
बताइए तारिक भाई, हाथ उठाया आपने. नाम बदलने का सिंपल प्रोसीजर है, बदल दीजिए. आपको नाम में ठान पसंद नहीं, आप तारिक लिखवा लीजिए.
Listen, what Jaya ji said, that I am an actor. I can understand the body language. I can understand the intention behind saying those things which I have already said, please don't call. This is the exact reference to the context what Jaya ji has said with saying that I am an actor. She want to say that I can understand the body language. Why the same thing has been repeatedly said? It's in order to insult her because she is a female. That's what.
And and she is saying that this is because of RSS, Manusmriti. She said Narendra Damodar Das Modi क्यों नहीं है? Because Narendra Modi's name in election affidavit is only Narendra Modi. Amit Shah's name in election affidavit is Amit Shah. If Jaya Bachchan has a problem with the word Amitabh, she should fill this form. Easily available at the cost of repeating myself. Mumtaz Patel, you have the last word. 30 seconds, ma'am. Then we wrap this up.
Yeah, you know, it's today also started with the fact that she said, I am an actor, I understand body language, I do not like the tone. And she went on to say that you switch off the mic of the LOP, that is not acceptable. She herself referred to herself as Jaya Amitabh Bachchan, probably in a sarcastic way, because she's initially told a few times that please do not use this name. Yes, the form can be changed, agreed. But the point today was very different. She was talking about tone, body language, how the opposition is being treated. Nisha ji spoke about that the opposition has no agenda, no
You know,
issues.
Mumtaz
but whenever the
Patel,
opposition
you know,
takes
I'm
on
glad that
issues,
you've
the
at
mics are
least
switched off.
accepted that, you know, if she wants to change her name, she should. But you tell me, ma'am, people, the body language experts, the so-called experts, will they
Because
take a
it's a
position when
one-sided
paper
chair.
planes are thrown at the chair? What is that? What is that behavior? Is somebody behaving like an aeronautical engineer? Somebody wants to go to NASA. They're making planes and throwing at the chair. What body language is that? Nobody has a problem with that. We've reduced parliament to now this tutu mebe over naam. If you have a problem with the word Amitabh, get rid of it. It ends there. We're out of time. I thank all of you for joining us on India Front. Navita Kumar on the News Hour on the other side.